currently studying in first year MBBS in All India Institute of Medical Science Nagpur, that is AIIMS Nagpur. My All India rank for AIIMS examinations was 1070 in unreserved category. For this achievement, I have prepared for my AIIMS and NEET examinations in JSM, IIT and Medical Hub. Here the faculties were really very nice and the teaching staff is very dedicated as well as motivating. Pargan sir, Sarate sir and Bele ma'am have always kept me motivating and helped me a lot in achieving my goal, and they have a very important role in my success. I had a very nice experience studying in JSM tutorials, and it was a very fun experience also. The study methods here, the simple tricks and the innovative methods of teachings, I feel it was amazing, and that I think helped me in achieving my goals. So thank you JSM.
I am Dilip Rao Wankhede. I am a second year student, MBBS student at Indira Gandhi Government Medical College, Mayo Hospital, Nagpur. I cracked NEET in 2018 in first attempt with 516 marks total, and out of which I got 125 marks in chemistry. I also got 173 marks in CET, that is for the state it is, and in that I got 41 out of 50 in chemistry. In boards I scored a total 94.63%, out of which in chemistry I got 95 out of 100. I was a student of JSM from 2016 to 2018, and according to my experience, I got a very good guidance from respected Mr. Manoj Pargan sir, who is a director at JSM Tutorials. Saying about JSM is a quite wonderful place to study chemistry. Here everything is taught with great concepts and in great detail, so that we can remember the things for a long period of the time. Especially the mnemonics that sir tells us and the code words which sir tells us for remembering the hard concepts of organic and inorganic chemistry helps us to remember the things for the long period of the time and apply the things in the question paper. The tests are also conducted from time to time so that we could access ourselves and could improve ourselves. The competition is also maintained. Every doubt, whatever it could be, whatever the difficulty it may be, sir is always ready to solve your doubt. He is very friendly. He guides you anytime. I am very grateful to Mr. Manoj Pargan sir for guiding me, and I would like to thank him.
Hello guys, I'm Dr. Neeraj. I am MBBS from NKP Sims. I'm a former student of Manoj sir. Guys, I am going to talk something really important today. It is something on which your future career depends. All of you must be NEET PG aspirants or JEE aspirants, NEET UG. So guys, 3 things that are important about our JSM, that's the highlighting point. The most important thing is sir's teaching style. His emphasis is mainly on conceptual studies. You will never ever see him asking you to mug up things, except for some things that are actually something that should be mugged up. Next thing is the motivation. Whenever you'll go in that class, trust me guys, I have been there, I have seen it. The amount of motivation this guy pumps in you is incredible. You'll just want to study harder after seeing this person, a sir. And the third thing, that is you. You need to be regular for the classes. You need to be regular for everything. You need to be precise. Okay, saying something more about JSM classes, I was a former student, I have been there, so I know how important and how hard it is, for us. Okay, it is important for us actually. But this guy, our sir, he's like an elder brother to me. He's my guru. All my credit I give it to him. Okay, so guys, I just love his teaching style. I can still sit in his class for like 6-7 hours and I'll never be bored. I know it. Okay, so guys, I'll request you to kindly go and join JSM classes, because it's the best place where you can learn chemistry without mugging it up. 2 subjects you need to prepare strong. I have done it, so I know it. Biology is gonna be great for everybody, but chemistry, it's a hard subject, and sir is gonna make it easy for you. So guys, thank you. Bye.